Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Sheldon at A&R Supply Company. Just making a really quick video today about a simple item, and that is the vacuum hose cuff. We sell these on our store at arsupplyco.com, and this is the kind of standard hose cuff in the industry. It's made out of vinyl, and they come in lots of different sizes. This one happens to be what's called a 2-inch hose cuff. So that means it fits 2-inch hose on this end. You can see the threads, and then on the smooth end, that's the part that goes on the tool. So this one is made to screw into 2-inch hose, vacuum hose, and it fits a 2-inch carpet wand. Now most of you probably know this that have been in the industry for a while, but those of you who are new, you might not know this, but when you're putting the hose cuff on the hose, it threads on backwards. So basically you're going to rotate the hose cuff to the left to tighten it onto the hose. Okay, so obviously you're going to turn it right to take it off. So it's backwards from what we're usually seeing, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So just a quick piece of information there. And then another thing, sometimes when you buy a vacuum hose, the cuff is actually glued on. The cuff is glued onto the hose. So if you ever have to replace the cuff on a glued piece of hose, all you have to do is cut it, or you're going to have to cut it with a box knife, and then take your replacement cuff and just turn it left and screw it on, and you'll be good to go. So if you got any questions, just shoot us an email or give us a call at 505-872-9702. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.